Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your build and which Insider channel you're on so you remove the correct preview. Once done, back up files and create a restore point. This protects you if rollback fails. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account. Next, open Settings Windows Update Windows Insider program and choose the option to stop receiving preview builds. Follow prompts to link to a local account if required and prepare for the next set of changes. Now you decide whether to switch to a less risky channel or fully unenroll. You can select Stop Getting Preview Builds to exit or change to Beta/Release Preview to reduce instability. Choose whether to keep your files or perform a clean installation. Keeping files is faster, but sometimes retains preview artifacts. Follow the on-screen confirmations and restart when prompted. After reboot, open Windows Update and watch for final adjustments. This confirms enrollment status changed and prepares Windows for official release updates. Finish by installing any pending updates so your system receives stable quality releases. This removes preview components over time. If you encounter problems, immediately use System Restore Point or Settings Recovery, reset this PC, and choose Keep My Files to recover. Make sure activation is valid and reinstall or roll back drivers if hardware acts up. If a specific update causes trouble, uninstall it from update history. These steps get you back to a stable, supported Windows 11 environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.